Did you know that Venice is not just one island, but actually it consists of a group of islands? Stick around to explore the hidden gems of Murano and Burano. Welcome to the enchanting world of Venice's secret islands. Welcome to Travel with the Hales. The best way to get to Burano is from Venice by ferry, and it takes about 35 minutes. This town is almost like a movie set. These colorful homes with drapes over the front doors. I wondered, do people really live here? It seems like an invasion of privacy. But yes, about 2,800 people do live here. The purpose of the colorful homes was originally when fishermen came home, they could find and identify their home by color in the very thick fog. This is also noted for its needle lace. So if you love photography and lace and just quaint towns, make this a stop. Murano is about 1.5 kilometers or 1 mile north of Venice and measures about 1.5 kilometers or 1 mile across. About 5,000 people live here, and it's famous for its Venetian glass blowing, known for its exquisite glass making industry. The glass is unique here because it's mixed with minerals, which gives it a unique and vibrant color. Is the glass worth anything? Well, yes it is. The authentic Murano glass pieces have been appraised for values of hundreds to even thousands of dollars. It depends on the technique used and how rare the piece is. So if you're planning a trip to Venice, I hope you make this one of your stops. Thank you so very much for watching. Please subscribe for more hidden gems.